Alrighty. Okay. We're here. We're live on the Engineering Robo channel. We're going to be looking at coins, companies, commodities here in the economy, some indexes perhaps, any and everything. Engineering Robo does it all. But looking at Bitcoin here, it would appear bullish robos entering the space as we rebound in a very bullish manner from my support level. $18,860 down below has been waiting for us for several weeks leading up to it. We were anticipating potential support along psychological level visualized 19,800 roughly. That is 2017 all-time highs. Support found along that level would have been nice to see. We had some bullish interactions with it for a period of days here, only to fall beneath it downward toward my more significant technical horizontal level waiting for us, so we were not caught off guard by that movement. We need daily candles opening and closing above technical support level, $21,815. At the moment, it is technically resistance. With these bullish robos in play, though, we have been investing accordingly. When two of our chosen three robos enter a bullish state, which on the 9th of September, the super buy and buy for robo advisors were confirmed, suggesting you heavily consider investing your 50% engineering robo based investment ratio, especially since the day after that bullish confirmation, the moon buy suggestion showed up. All three of our chosen robos in play at the moment do suggest continued upward movements. So resistance waiting for us in any sort of continued upward price action is going to be up near $25,000. $25,800 is where we anticipate resistance present, unless we return to $25,200 here. Appears to be a sort of like local high of resistance, perhaps there in play, though the technical level to consider is 25.8. But that's Bitcoin at the moment. And so this is the fear and FOMO zones for Bitcoin. We use these ranges to determine areas of accumulation and take profit with a much more broad trend in mind here. When prices are interacting with the FOMO zone, we heavily consider getting out of the market, taking profit, reducing our investments accordingly because a market top may be forming. Our most recent FOMO zone interaction back in 2017 was significant enough to cause an 84% correction, sending us into the fear zone, which is to be expected, though the 84% correction that occurred in our previous all-time highs, I don't believe is as likely because we haven't seen the FOMO zone. So we are returning to the fear zone for the third time here, the third bullish buy opportunity for Bitcoin over the long term. We are to accumulate during times of extreme fear, but go oh no when Robo says there's FOMO. So at the moment here, we are just hoping to continue to find support along $19,800 per Bitcoin, a very bullish level at the moment. But we will just have to keep in the back of our mind the possibility of an 84% correction from our most recent all-time highs, and that would bring us to roughly $10,700 per Bitcoin. And looking at XLM at the moment, if you've been following the channel, we recently posted that price action has sort of bumped upward here toward overhead resistance. 11 cents is going to be giving us a hard time until confirmed otherwise. My key level 0.1185 is overhead as resistance until daily candles confirm it as support. And so at the moment only the buy 4 is present. We need at least two of our chosen three becoming bullish here for us to consider investing based on that confirmation. At the moment we are far too close to resistance. We don't have enough bullish robos yet. So right now XLM in a bit of a tight situation. Still waiting for some confirmations. Looking at XRP at the moment, we've been trading sideways for quite some time now, interacting with my 30-cent support level. Just one sec, quick tea sip break. Refreshing now. 30 cents down below has been a bullish level of support here for us ever since June of this year. We've been bouncing off of it rather nicely with bearish robos in mind ever since the 25th of August. So we are patiently waiting for the return of bullish robos here, it would appear, because right now some rather significant signs of resistance are present, and we have been foreshadowing sideways and or downside for a good foreseeable amount of time here. 25 cents, in my opinion, is going to be a more significant horizontal level of technical support waiting for us, but this has been XRP. Now, Litecoin, perhaps some interesting price action here. We're liking my support levels. So the buy for Super and Moon Robos in play, one of my personal favorite combinations in my opinione. We saw the Super buy for and Moon back in June of this year after interacting with my $42 support level. Yesterday's daily candle has opened and closed with its wick and body above key level $60.47. A few more candles doing that, or some bullish interactions with this level from above would be nice to see and would further solidify support present for us. If we do solidify support at current levels and we make our way upward, watch out for $82.22 as potential resistance waiting for us. If not, $114 is the more significant resistance level overhead if we do make our way upward here. Cardano, ADA, what's really going on here, it would appear, has been in a rather depressing downward spiral ever since highs printed back in September of 2021. Bullish Robos allowed EngineeringRobo members to experience 150% in upside over just about a month. And then bearish robos here saving us from 67, 29, 45% corrections that have occurred. And we're just waiting for bullish confirmations here to remain in play for us to perhaps begin considering the recovery for Cardano. A new support level has been formed with this most recent price action here ever since May of this year. We've been interacting with 46 cents in a rather significant manner, so we visualized it as support down below. That is where you were suggested to invest your 20% support-based investment ratio when we updated this coin, I think near the 5th or 6th of September. You are waiting to invest your EngineeringRobo based investment ratio still, because only one of our chosen 3 robos is back to a bullish state. The buy for is nice to see, though we will need a second robo becoming bullish at least for us to begin investing accordingly. And then we have this solid downtrend line here, not too far away. Trading sideways toward it, I do believe, would be bullish for us in the longer term, and a break upward from it would perhaps suggest movements to the upside here. Watch out for 84 cents as resistance if we do solidify support, get some more buy suggestions, and free ourselves from this downtrend line. Alrighty, Ethereum. We have a slightly advanced combination of robo-advisors in play. You can find out more about how that works down below. Bullish robos attempting to return at the moment as we find ourselves above a potential support level. So daily candles opening and closing above $1,687 per Ethereum. Makes me want to take a sip of my tea, and would suggest potential support level for accumulation. If daily candles can continue to open and close above it, perhaps interact with this price from above, that would further solidify support present for us. The buy for has been confirmed on the 9th of September. The bull robo advisor is attempting to be confirmed with today's daily candle, though we will need today's daily candle to close to confirm this buy suggestion, and then and only then, once 2 of our chosen 3 robos have entered a bullish state, we can begin investing accordingly. Last time this occurred, we had the buy for Moon and Bull robos all print on the same daily candle, July 16th. All the way up to August 14th, EngineeringRobo members experienced 49% in upside on their investment, and were technically able to capitalize anywhere on 18 up to 27% ROI when bearish robos returned. we always go with the flow of our robos confirmations, no matter the situation. And so with bullish robos returning, support forming, we can potentially see another opportunity to perhaps get back into Ethereum.